How to archive Instagram posts at once. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to archive Instagram posts all at once. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, just go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then once you have search for Instagram, make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. So it is important to update your Instagram app since it will help you see the feature that I will be teaching you um, in the next seconds or minute. So now, assuming that you have updated your Instagram app, then you may click on open and go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, go to the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and choose your activity, which is the second option. And then, once you're right here, choose again the second option, which is photos and videos, and choose the very first option, which is posts. Once you are right here, you may click on the select button found on the upper right corner of the screen. Select the post that you want to archive. For example, I will archive all of these three and simply click on archive found on the lower left corner of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can archive Instagram posts all at once.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.